This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone, I am Srinivas Gorrepati. As part of this video, we are going to see the merge transformation that we have as part of SSIS. Merge transformation bit advanced to union all transformation. So union all transformation that we already saw, it can take any number of inputs as an input, and it is going to combine all the result sets, append one of all the result sets, and it is going to send it to a next level. That can be destination or another transformation. Merge transformation, it is going to take only two sources as input, and it is going to sort the records. It is going to take only two inputs, and it is going to sort the records, the two sources. It is going to sort it and send it to the next level. It will not eliminate duplicates. It also get all the records from a source to destination, but it will work on only two sources, and it is going to sort the data as part of pushing to next level. So here I taken the data from two flat file sources. Because the data is in the form of, as it is a flat file, the data will be in the form of text. So I converted that with the help of a data conversion transformation. Merge transformation will expect, merge transformation expects a data as an output of a sort transformation. So before you give the data to merge, the data must be sorted. If you not sort the data, it will not accept. So I used a sort transformation. I selected a column and I sorted in ascending or descending order. I sorted two sources, I sorted. Then after I given it as input to merge transformation. These are the three columns that we are getting as input, and here also these three columns. What is the output that you want to display? Because it is going to give a single result set in a sorted format. So what column names that you want to provide, you can provide. So once you given that, like the output will be moved to next level of transformation. So I enabled a data viewer here, and you can verify. So you can see there are 3 records which are coming from source 1, 5 records which are coming from a source 2, and this is the output: 10x10, 10a10, 10a10. Like there is a one record I duplicated in both the places, that is nothing but 10a. So it is able to display duplicate records also, and the output is coming in a sorted order. So whenever you want to like sort the records from a two different data sources, you can use a merge transformation. So the difference between the union all and merge is, union all, it will take a multiple sources. It don't require any sorted input. It will not send the result output in a sorted format. It will not eliminate the duplicates. The merge transformation can take only two sources as input. It must require a sorted input, and it will send the output in a sorted format by integrating the two sources, and it is send as an output. So this is how you can configure a merge transformation. If you have any questions, give a comment in a comment section. Thanks much for watching.